Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. We're just done with our classes. अब हम clients का wait कर रहे हैं. जब तक हम clients का wait करते हैं तब तक हम गज़लें सुनते हैं, शायरियाँ सुनते हैं. हमारी ज़रिया एक बेवफा और सितम, अब तो बेवफा और सितम मुँह धर कर लिया. सादगी तो हमारी जरा देखिए.
एतबार आपके वादे पर कर लिया.
ये तूने क्या किया? आया हूँ इधर, but my move is the best. It's so cute. तुम लोग भी करके दिखाओ. करो, करो. कम राशि की जोड़ी. Apologize for the torture you guys had to go through. Now we are on our work mode and we're all serious. We're going to focus on our work. बीच में ऐसे थोड़े दौरे पड़ जाते हैं. माफ कर दीजिएगा, माफ कर दीजिएगा. Forever 52 पे इंटरनेशनल लिपस्टिक डे सेल चल रही है till 29th of July, जहाँ certain lipsticks are at buy one get one free and the others are up to 20% off. So मैं आपको अपनी कुछ favorite shades दिखाती हूँ. They are at buy one get one free. I'm starting with number 14. This is their lip paint. Number 14. This is a really pretty nude color. Buy one and get one free. मैंने थोड़ा सा ब्राउन लिप लाइनर लगा लिया था, but this is such a perfect peachish nude color. मैं links यहाँ पर mention कर दूंगी. Buy one get one free. I love it. Alice, just look at this lip shade. It looks pretty, right? It's such a pretty color and it's at buy one get one free till 29th of July.
Lenses play a major role in enhancing your eye makeup. So as a makeup artist, let me recommend some of my top favorites. मैं बात कर रही हूँ aqua color की candy pack lenses की. You must have these in your vanity. These are super convenient and easy to apply on yourself as well as on your bride. And the best part is they look extremely natural, yet they enhance the eye look. They're very, very comfortable to wear. You can literally wear them the entire day without even feeling them. And they come in multiple shades to suit our Indian skin tone. They are very easy to remove as well, and once you remove them, remember to store them using Aqua Lens ka comfort solution. This makes sure your lenses remain fresh and last long. You have to try these.
If you guys know me already, then you know that I'm somebody who's obsessed with handbags, and I so badly wanted this handbag, the tote bag by Marc Jacobs. Absolutely gorgeous, stunning. I love it. Now, if you are someone who likes luxury bags and you're looking for authentic 100% original luxury bags, then I recommend Luxury House by Krishna. I'll tag their Instagram page right here. They deal with 100% original, 100% authentic luxury items like handbag, heels, belts. They have literally every brand. They have Coach, they have Tory Burch, they have Gucci, they have Michael Kors, they have Marc Jacobs, and it comes with the original packaging as well. It comes with the original packaging, the original dust bag, authenticity. All the tags are attached, so you can sort of cross check whether it's original or not. It is 100% original, and I can't. Let me just unwrap it and show you guys. Just wait a second. Now this is a beauty. I ordered it in the size medium, and I think it's just perfect. Once again, Luxury House by Krishna. They sell 100% authentic, original luxury handbags, and you guys can just like blindly trust them. I have a lot of Coach bags from them. I have a lot of Tory Burch bags from them, and they are absolutely stunning and gorgeous, and I can't wait to use this one today.
I'm also in love with my hoops. They look stunning. They have tiny hearts,
tiny gorgeous hearts. It's by this Instagram page where 90% of my jewelry is from. It's called Nubo Jewels. They sell anti-tarnish jewelry. मतलब इसको आप पहने रहिए, you sweat it out, आप ये water resistant होता है and ये सालों साल ऐसे ही रहता है. So they have like multiple styles of anti-tarnish jewelry. I've been wearing this bracelet. Let me show you the bracelet. I've been wearing it literally, it's almost been a year. Non-stop. I've been hitting the gym, I've been taking a shower while wearing this bracelet. I've been to the beach and polish abhi tak nahi ki. Let me just show it to you guys. So I'm talking about this bracelet. I've literally been wearing it. It's almost been a year and polish bhi nahi gayi hai. I've been to the beach. I've been to Goa with this bracelet on and it's so affordable, yet it's anti-tarnish and like supreme quality. Absolutely love their jewelry, and they are always kind enough to send me such gorgeous pieces, and I have so many hoops. I can't wait to wear them and I love you so much.